Vuitton has got a lady. Hello. You're so real, aren't you? Really? How real are you? Finding yourself sadly terrified of the future, to what we have done to the planet. Watering can. You've been watering. There's hardly any water that is not poisoned anymore, isn't it? Wow. Yes. There's no water to water. At least what we've got is plastic all around, including most of it's been ingested by us, ourselves. The watering can is empty, and it has become a museum piece, so as we will soon be museum pieces, ending up pretty much useless robots for no purpose or good, as humans have become today. Where will the future of the children you bear today will proceed, or will it proceed at all? Will it be the end is nearing? No. The water can. What I'm smelling on 5th Avenue is not the fresh air. It is a smoked out waft of chemicals that humans inhale these days as fresh air. Not only the pollutants that we inhale, but they want to increase the chemical content and bind stuff off the back street, and they're walking like zombies on the streets of New York. Anyhow, this is what a window display on 5th Avenue looks like of Louis Vuitton.